There's been so much hype in the U.S. about, through the media, about how unsafe Mexico is. I'm telling you, it is not true. It's all hype through the media, through the U.S. I have never felt unsafe here in Mexicali, for that matter, anywhere that I've ever traveled to in Mexico. I had a gastric bypass. Gastric sleeve. I had a gastric sleeve performed by Dr. Ary. In my opinion, the surgeons in the U.S. need to take lessons from this guy. He's a fine surgeon. He's really good at his craft and his profession. There's no question there. What I really like about Dr. Zarate is he sits down and he'll answer all your questions. I had them all written out. And we went through each and every question, and he took his time and answered everything. And it wasn't until I was done with my questions, he said, "Do you have any more questions?" And I said, "I do not." He says, "And are you comfortable enough to move forward?" And I says, "I am." So what I'm saying is there's no pressure, and he takes as much time as you want, as much time as you need to go over all your questions. And he'll make you feel completely comfortable. So if you're going to have a gastric sleeve done or any of that procedures, he's your guy. He's the surgeon you want to use. Old the building is, I think it's fairly new, but I will tell you it's super clean. The equipment in the hospital, the operating room is state of the art. We had a friend 2 years ago that had a gastric sleeve done, and he was telling us about his experience here. Not just how cost effective it was compared to the U.S., but the care that he had received. I was still a little skeptical myself, and so my wife and I had done research online to verify everything that he had said. What I really like about the hospital too is your spouse can stay with you in your room. There's like a couch that can be made out into a bed. And so your spouse can stay with you free of charge in your room while you're having your surgery done. This last time, my wife and I both had surgery done at the same time, and they put both of our beds into one room, which was really kind of nice too. So I kind of like. So what I just would like to reiterate is there are no concerns to have any surgery done here in Mexicali. Do not be afraid. And I'm telling you, your experience here would be very pleasant as a surgery can be or a hospital stay can possibly be. But they do everything within their power to make you feel comfortable and make you feel special. So don't hesitate to come here to Mexicali and have any care taken that you need to be taken care of.